Hi to everyone and welcome to our channel. If you're looking to build a professional looking website or landing page, we found the perfect solution for these purposes. This Squarespace platform. You can build a portfolio, blog, online store, personal and CV, creative services, events and weddings, small business, and tons of other things. And you can build it from the templates, and you can build it from scratch, like from 0 to hero, as it says. Before I've started to show you the step-by-step tutorial of how to build your own web page, your own website, and all the functionality of this platform's editor, I want to say that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, so you can easily get access to this Squarespace platform with a big discount from our team for our subscribers. So join and let's build some web page. Let's jump into the dashboard of this fantastic and very powerful platform. I have a couple websites already made. You just need to press the create website. The platform itself will ask you what's the topic and what's the type of your web page. It's online store or portfolio or membership, blog or launch page or anything else. And here you can be as specific as possible because nobody except you knows your business better. And that's why you can save tons of time and tons of efforts of building your web page. I want to show you the core knowledges. I want to show you the core functionality of the editor, and when you're gonna get this information, you will find out how you can build by your own anything that you want for your business. Actually, it doesn't really matter. Let's start with this design. It doesn't matter because all the things that you can make are pretty simple and easy right here, and you can make it fast, easy, and without an extra effort. You don't need to know the coding, you don't need to know the web design and so on. There are templates that are already pre-made, and I will show you how to fix all the things inside your page to get it best of your own experience. First of all, you need to give your page a name, and it's gonna be the site title. Just pressing continue. The platform itself shows you how to act on its platform. I will show this all to you. So all you have on the left-hand menu is pages, design, commerce, marketing, scheduling, analytics, profile, settings, and help. To go live, you will use the pages, design, and settings. So let's see what's happening in the pages. There's shop right here. There's our story, blog, and home page. We're gonna edit the home page and we'll delete all others. But if you want the big site, the huge one, and you have tons of content or pictures or videos, of course you can use like our story, the extra page. But I prefer to make the website nowadays is more than to make it on the one page and one layout. So just getting back, design and commerce, I will show all of this today. Let's jump to edit first. First of all, any site has header, footer, and the sections of content. You see there's a header. Let's edit site header, and I will show you what's happening on it. Site title and logo, elements, colors, and fixed position. Site title and logo. You can upload the logo image, and you can upload the mobile logo image. If it's not the same as the main logo, it will appear just on mobile phones, and that's it. I don't have a logo for this site, for this example. Here in the desktop, you can choose the header layout. I want the logo in the center, and it's right in the center on this. In this case, the same thing I want, yeah, it's in the center also. Great. Elements of a header. Button, social links, I want to enable button. I want to enable the social links. What's important in the button? You need to press this gear button, and you see the list of options. What's going to happen when somebody will press that button that we already switched on? It's going to be the web address. It can be external or like on this website, the page, email, phone, or file. I prefer to make it email because the main purpose of any landing page or web page is to describe business to your visitors, to the visitors of your website, and to get their contacts and to work with them, like to warm them up with an email marketing provider, for example. And you can integrate these external services right here on the platform. And to bring your visitors to your customers. So that's why I don't like the big and huge website, because it's pretty nobody can understand what I should do on this web page. Should I press shop now or order now, or should I go to our story, or should I read the blog? So you need to make the call to actions everywhere, like order now, and you need to give some value to your potential customers. I'm sure that you saw like download the PDF and share with us your email information, and download the free guide, or some extra value, some free value, and like your potential customer giving you his contacts. So this is the purpose actually. Let's go forward. Social links. You can enable social links. There's Instagram, for example. You can edit them right here. You can add a social link or email, and it's gonna be clickable if you have actually your social accounts. It can be handy. Card. If you're selling something, you can switch on the card. I don't want to sell on this page. And account login. Your visitor will need to have the account. I want to switch it off also. Colors. Right now the header is transparent, and that's cool. Let it be transparent, but you can switch it off and change the color of the theme of your header. We finished with header. Let's go to the sections. You can move section down or move section up. You can duplicate the section, you can delete it, or you can edit the section itself. Every section contains some blocks with some text or images or videos, and you can add them, and I will show it to you a little bit later. Let's edit the section itself. Here you have the format, background, and colors. Format and content with, okay, format, let it be large for now, or you can choose it like manually. The background, you can upload an image, or you can upload a video. You can edit image straight from the platform, like all the colors, all the brightness, and so on, just to show you all the things: brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, and so on. You can crop it, or you can add a filter to it. We're not gonna do it with this picture. Image effect, you can apply the image effect, liquid, film grain, and so on and so on. We're not gonna do this also. Let's delete this image, and you see that there's a color on the background. Let's add an image. Okay, the tasty picture is right here, and it looks much more better than it was with cucumbers. Okay, it suits for me. Format, maybe, no, it's gonna be large. All right, let's jump to the next section, and you see there's tons of things right here. how to move things. For example, you want the text to be on the left hand. You can just grab this text word and drag this. You see those blue lines? For example, it will be on the left hand and there's a spacer, or let it be in the center. The spacer, we're gonna delete. All these things we're gonna delete. And you see it's resizing automatically. I'm gonna delete all this. We're gonna change the text a little bit. How to manage the text? Just double click on it and you can edit the text. It's heading 3, let it be heading 1. Let's delete this. And the same thing with text editing. It's pretty simple and understandable. Edit the button. Click through URL, the same thing that I showed you already with the buttons. Just saving. Okay, you see that there's a big block. I want it to be smaller. Spacer. And let's delete all other sections and just left the footer. Okay, let's add a section itself, and you can see that you can add a blank section, you can add headlines, list, gallery, image, quote, text, video, and so on and so on. I want it to be gallery, for example. I want to upload the pictures of cakes that we producing, for example. And you see there's tons of them. When you're pressing here on this image button, you see the gallery. Just removing all of them. And with this plus button, you can add or search images. Okay, the pictures are here, and you see it takes a lot of space on the side. I want it to be the different way, and you can choose the gallery type. I want it to be full, medium, arrows, captions, no autoplay. Yes, we can turn on the autoplay. Colors doesn't matter here actually, because our pictures are like full screen. All right, let's add some text here. We're gonna remove this spacer. And we're gonna add with this plus button, we're gonna add some text. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Want to change the color to this one. That looks tasty. Or this one. Oh yeah, that looks great. Even greater than it was. Okay, we have the gallery, we have the footer, and let's edit the footer. Actually, all the things with editing is the same as I showed you already. For example, we need it to be in the center. And you just writing down your physical addresses and phone number and contacts. Okay, I just want to change the style, and that looks great. Okay, this is pretty it. Before you go live with your website, you need to check the mobile preview, because it needs to be good, because tons of traffic, up to 60% of traffic now flows from the mobile devices, and you need to make sure that it looks pretty awesome. All right, for example, you have shopper, story, and blog. I told you already that there's pages that are under the home page. We just want to delete them. All these things, we're just leaving the home. And we jump into design. Here in design, you can choose fonts, colors, animations. Animations, for example, I want it to fade. All things will fade. Save. Fonts. It looks not like the cake font. Let's switch it to some interesting one. Yeah, I like this font. Just saving it. And here's the interesting thing. You can choose the fonts for headings, paragraphs, and buttons itself, like separately. But I prefer to use or the packs or like not more than 2 fonts, because in that case your page looks more balanced. So you can play with that also, of course. And want to show you the settings. There's site availability, member areas, language and region, business information. Here in the business information, you can fulfill all your addresses, physical, and all numbers, all emails, and more and more and more. Social links, the same thing. You can edit the social links straight from here in the header or in the footer, and you can edit them here in this left-hand menu. Advanced domains, of course, when you go live, you need to have the domain and hosting. And if you don't have yet, you can buy it straight from the platform, or you can buy it like from external provider and combine it to your web page. That's pretty it. That's pretty all you need to know. I showed you the core knowledges of how to build your own web page, and you can play with all these tools like as you want and as you wish. Of course, you need to have content. Of course, you need to get some traffic to your landing page or web page and bring new visitors and like take them to your customers. I showed you the core knowledges. Hope this makes sense for you. Hope this sounds good for you, and hope this was useful. So I want to remind you that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, so you can easily get access to this fantastic platform. This is Squarespace with a big discount, especially for our subscribers. Appreciate that watched this video till the end. Wish you good luck. Wish you nice results with your site building. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.